First of all, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share with you 2020 Subaru Outback. My name is Paul Patrick here at Hendricks Subaru, and once again, thank you. I know sometimes when you're shopping for a vehicle, it can become overwhelming. So right now, I'd like you just to relax, okay? Matter of fact, I want you just to stop. And I want you to use that card right there as just a guideline for the things that I'm gonna go over with you. Stop. S meaning safety. Safety, the T meaning technology, and the O meaning the option that you want, and the P meaning performance. First of all, we're gonna start with safety. Now, this is where Subaru truly delivers. As you know, on all Subarus, this particular model here, you have what's called the the LED fog lights, okay? That's gonna give you more visibility during the night when you're driving. You also have what's called steering responsive headlights, SRH. It's gonna give you more visibility in curves as you turn at night or even when it's foggy. These lights are gonna go wherever you steer. Safety responsive headlights. Come on with me. Now, on the touring model, they're gonna boast 20-inch wheels. So you're gonna get great ground stability. And you also have 8.7 inches of height for your safety, okay? Come with me. Also, you're gonna have blind spot detection here on you're gonna have blind spot detection. What this is gonna let you know when something's in your blind spot, and it's gonna light up here to let you know not to get over. Also, you have what's called the award-winning eyesight. Come around, that's your cameras right up front. That's gonna keep you from having a front-end collision. Now we'll come just right back here. And as you can see, come around. All Subarus are gonna have steel beams built in the door. You can see them, 1, 2, 3, right there. It's gonna help protect in the event of a side-end collision, the occupants in the car. And we didn't forget about your precious cargo here in the back. As you can see, you got one big steel beam that runs through the entire door, and it also has a connection right here, so when the door closes, it closes in solid. Come around to the back of the vehicle for me. Now, Subaru have what's called RAB, reverse automatic braking. So you have cameras here in the back of the vehicle. Any object over 4 foot tall is not going to allow you to back into that vehicle. So when it comes to safety, Subaru truly delivers. Now, what we want to talk about now is some of the technology of the vehicle. We went over the S for safety. Now we'll go over the T for technology. Just follow. Now, for the technology, we're going to go inside of the vehicle. Just follow me with the camera. Make it a little bit awkward here, but we'll make it through. What I'd like to start at is your dash area. This is the area here that's a little overwhelming to most customers. I can say with most manufacturers, the technology is kind of stated as a DTU, a difficult to understand technology. But as you can see with Subaru, and I'll show you a presentation, you're going to call it STU, for simple to understand technology. We'll start off here on your dash area. As you can see, everything is clearly labeled for you. Your maps, your radio, your media, even your apps. And if you want to connect your phone, just hit the phone connect button while your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on, and it'll automatically connect your phone. Let's take just a minute to look at your map. As you can see, it's a TomTom map. It's very user-friendly. You can go to your menu, and you can also go to search and just put in your points of interest. Real simple. To get back to your main screen, just go right here to the little house. That's your home screen, and it lets you know, okay? You go to your settings right here, and if you needed to set up anything in here, as far as your favorites, your birthday list, your anniversary, it's right here, real easy to do. We go right back here, and you're right back at home. Now, you can use this particular arrow. It'll let you know your acceleration, your fuel consumption, the angle of the vehicle. As you see now, we're at a -5 degree angle. Let's hit it just a little bit more. Look at here, it even gives you your weather outside. And it also gives you an X mode. Now what X mode is, you know all Subarus are standard all-wheel drive. But if you ever got in the snow, mud, or dirt, you can just hit on, and it's gonna give you additional traction, whether it's deep snow or mud, for your wheels. Once you get up to about 11 to 12 miles per hour, it'll automatically turn off, or you just simply turn it off right there. Okay, let's get to your air conditioning controls. Real simple, as you can see, your fan speeds, the mode that you like your air to blow. Real simple. Okay, you can even adjust the temperature on your seats. As you know, on this particular model, which is the Touring, you have heated and cooled seats. We hit it right here. If we want to move the heat them up a little bit, or we want to bring it down for your cooled seats. Once again, just hit heat or just hit ventilated. Real simple. And just to come out of that, you just X out of it. Now, something I know that you're pretty excited about is your radio. As you can see, for 4 months, you'll get what's called Sirius Radio absolutely free. You also have your AM and your FM. Real simple to use. Here's your Sirius. And if you wanted to set a station, say for instance you like Margaritaville and you want it on station 18, you just hold it, let it beep, and there you go. It's set for you. Here's your volume, and here's your tuner. Now also we'll go right up here to your electrochromatic mirror. Real simple, lets you know what direction you're in, and it also has this little button here that lets you know if someone's in. Now what that is, you can turn it off and on, and if someone behind you has bright lights, it'll automatically dim for you. You have 3 settings here for garage doors. You can set actually up to 3 garage doors right there, and it's real easy to do. Now you also have an SOS button and an information button. That's part of your Starlink package, and I'll go over that a little later. Let's come right over here to the front of the vehicle. As you can see, very easy to read. It lets you know how many miles you got until you're empty. It also gives you your miles per hour. But if you're more traditional, you got your analogs right there. So as far as the technology, it is real simple, real easy to read. And once again, if you decide to buy a Subaru, we make sure we go over everything with you. And we even have what's called an Encore program, which we schedule an appointment and have you to come back in with any questions you may have in the future. Now, we've talked about safety. We've talked about some of the technology. Now let's step out and talk about some of your options. Now, as far as some of your options, you have what's called Starlink. That's going to be Subaru's answer to your OnStar. With Starlink, you can get remote start. You actually can get an app where you can start your vehicle while you're in the mall or if you're at home. Also, you have what's called curfew alert and boundary assist on some of your options. Okay, now let's talk about the fun part, performance. Okay, this particular model here is a Touring XT. XT meaning that it is a turbo, so you boast 260 horsepower or 277 foot-pounds of torque. This vehicle really delivers. I'd like to take just a minute to show you just a little bit about the engine. Take just a minute. We'll prop it up right here. Come just a little bit closer. As you can see, this one right here does have your intercooler because this is a turbo model. But the thing I wanted to tell you about, not only does it have performance, it is very safe. The engine is designed to drop down on frontal impact, so it's going to protect you and the occupants. Come just a little closer. Also, all the necessary things that you need to keep in check on is in clear translucent containers. Brake fluid, engine coolant, windshield wiper fluid, engine oil right here, and here's your engine oil stick. And get this, your filter is just right here on top. Once again, not only does it deliver, it's very safe. I'd like to take just a minute to thank you so much for allowing me to show you the 2020 Outback. Let me let the hood down just for a second. Now, we've talked about the safety of the vehicle, the technology. We talked briefly about some of your options. And last but not least, we talked about some of your performance. As you can see, when it comes to the things that's important to you, Subaru has you covered. Let's go for a test drive.